Hello dear children of class 5. Today we will discuss about icons. This is lesson number 2, more on MS Windows, and icons is our subtopic for today. What are icons? We can define that icons are small pictures that represent a file, folder or a program. That means if we have a file or a folder or a program, any program in computer, we can represent it with the help of an icon. We can open any program directly by double clicking its icon. For example, we want to open any program, how we can open it? By double clicking on its icon. For example, we will open some icons placed on the desktop. Let us go to desktop. We will minimize this file first. And we are going to desktop. Here you are seeing this PC. At the top corner, this PC. I have double clicked it and it will just open. You are seeing that this whole window, this is the window of this PC. Here you are seeing folders, desktop, pictures, documents and videos. These are the folders which are present in this PC. Then there are devices and drives. How many devices are attached here and how many drives? Drives means main partitions of the disk. This is local disk C and this is one of the main partitions of computer where we store data. This is local disk E and this is local disk F, and this is a DVD, digital versatile diskette read write. RW stands for read write drive and its number is, its alphabet is G. That means this drive can be used for opening a CD, and these two drives which are in between, they can be used for opening a small portable drive or device which is pen drive. We will exit the window by clicking here on the cross button, and then again my desktop is there. I can show you that this icon, recycle bin. There is another way of opening. Right click on this icon and click on open. This is another way how you open recycle bin. What is placed in recycle bin? For example, sometimes we delete a file. That file is placed in recycle bin, and this is the list of the this PC. I mean, what is placed in under PC, desktop extra, and these are some favorite these devices, and these are other things. And here you are seeing that this file has been deleted and it can be restored. How? By clicking, right clicking on it and viewing it. Or we can empty recycle bin from here, empty recycle bin. That means this file will be emptied, will be vanished from the recycle bin. We click again and we click here to exit the recycle bin window, and we are again on this. Similarly, there are other icons. For example, there are some folders, yellow color these folders. There are some Word files. There is Acrobat Reader. There is Facebook, and there is GOM Player. There is some browsers are there. So this in turn you can open them, place them, and another thing is that you can move any folder by dragging it like this. Like we have dragged this folder and we will be placing it here. So that means we can move any folder from one location to another location, any folder or any icon which are placed on our desktop. Thank you for watching this video.